Boot.
Okay, first ride of the day, we're gonna go and hit up Millennium.
Go rap. Let us know who you think is gonna win, Warriors or Raptors. We both got Raptors in 6.
We just got off of Dragster and we're in the line for Magnum right now. And we're gonna be
Like the line's dead, so
basically they got like 15 minutes here. We just got off and that hurt
airtime hills suck.
super badly.
All right, so we just got off Gemini. We're about to hit.
Maverick.
Yeah.
Right now, currently, my favorite ride is Steel Vengeance. Probably. How about you?
I like Maverick, but the first time I rode with it, I was with Phantoms, and my legs got stapled, and I couldn't even move my feet.
Oh yeah, wasn't that like a week ago?
I think so. But
Yeah, we're in Frontier Town right now, and we're probably like 5 minutes away from Maverick. All right, what's up? We're on the train right now because there's really nothing to ride in the back.
yeah, like the lines are way too long, so we're probably gonna head up to Midway. It's been like an hour since we last filmed, so
We're gonna hit up the museum over here.
then I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A because
We're gonna be heading this way. It looks like a fort or something made out of wood. So
yeah.
we just got back from doing this crazy jungle gym.
They wouldn't let us have our phones, but I got some clips in the slide if you want to watch my video.
This actually is really cool. Check out his video. It's probably in the link in the description. Some more food. We just got off of Skyhawk, and we're probably gonna go on Thunder Canyon just to get cooled off because it is like 90 degrees out today here in Sandusky, Ohio.